Hello everybody. Today we'll be making a Chinese style sweet and sour shrimp. Before we begin cooking, please gather these ingredients. Firstly, some fresh shrimp. You can get this from Costco. Next, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon from each of these. You have some vinegar, some soy sauce, and some cooking wine. Of course, we need salt and oil. Lastly, get half a pepper, a green onion, and some ginger. Slice these up, and then we can begin cooking. Firstly, prepare the shrimp by cutting off the tail and legs. Next, rinse them with cold water. Finally, dry them with a paper towel. Heat a pot. Add the oil. When the oil is hot, put the shrimp in. Fry the shrimp until they turn golden. They should feel a bit sticky when filtering the oil out. Heat the pot again. Add some oil. Put the chopped ginger in. Stir well. Then put in the sugar and vinegar mix. Stir well. Then add a half bowl of water. Cover it and let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. While it is cooking, mix the cornstarch with a quarter bowl of water. When it is well mixed, add in the cornstarch. Mix it well like this. Now, add in the pepper and add in the shrimp. Mix well. Finally, put the shrimp into a plate. Sprinkle with green onion.